Hello, my name is Helen. I'm an Airtable expert and an automation specialist. Today, I want to walk you through a portfolio I built for a coaching business for a coach who runs a 6-month coaching program. Everything you use here are all dummy datas. I will never disclose my client's information or datas. So, firstly, the aim of this project is for lead management, payment tracking, and also for coach assigning. So, firstly, I built 4 tables in the Airtable. But firstly, I created an application table. This application table holds the data of the applicant applied for every program, like weight loss program and fitness program. And also in this application table, I created the application form. This is the form that the applicant fill when they want to enroll for the program. Once they fill this form, their data is directly populated here in our application table. So let me fill the form so you will see how it works. So here, let me use my name, Helen. One, two. Let's go for the weight loss bootcamp 25. Let's go. Let's say weight loss, click by doctor. Let's say to lose 20 pounds. And we submit. Once we submit this, an application will be created here. Here you can see in the application table, and the application status will be pending because the coach has to review the person age, the current status, and if the person can be enrolled for that program. If the person has not been cleared from the doctor, the application will be rejected. But if the person has been cleared by the doctor, the application will be accepted. Next, I created an automation that says when a form is submitted, immediately this form is submitted, an email is sent to the applicant that his application is in review and they'll get back to him shortly. The next, I created the client table. In this client table, it holds only applicants that the application for the program was accepted. Once you are accepted, you are moved to the client table because you are now a client. So let's click and change one of the status to accepted. Let's use this one we have created now. So I change it to accepted. Immediately I click and change to accepted. A record will be created here in the client table with name, email, and all necessary details. Then the amount paid will be automated or tracked using any payment platform, Stripe or any platform you like. But for now, let's do that manually. Let's say the client paid 3,000 and the coaching program is 5,000. Immediately, the remaining balance will be calculated as 2,000 naira, $2,000, and the application status will be second installment in plan because the coach made it that the payment can be spread across 6 months of the program. So let's go to the coaches table. I built the coaches table. This table holds the name of the coach, their email, and their program specialty. So now here, this client applied for. I applied because I used my data. So let's say I applied for the weight loss bootcamp. If we go to the client table here, we will see that a coach has been assigned to me. Favor Amazing when weight loss bootcamp. If we go to the coaches table, we'll also see that a coach has been assigned. Here, look at my name here, Helen Nwando. And this was possible because I created an automation that says that says when a record is created in the client table, the script runs and it assigns a coach to the applicant based on the program they applied to and based on the number of students the coach currently have. They have 2 coaches to one program. So if one coach has 6 students and the other one has 5 students, the automation will assign the that particular applicant to the coach that has 5 students. So here in the report table, this report table houses the number of reports and the report link. So here in the automation here, I built another automation that says when a record matches condition rejected, when an applicant status is changed to rejected, an email is sent that sorry, we are rejecting them for the particular program. And also I created another automation for weekly report. So every month at a set date and a set time, every record that has balance attached to them in their balance status, a record is created in my Google Doc, and also and the record link is also created in the report table here. Then I created another automation that says 2 weeks to the end date 2 weeks to the end date, an email is sent to the applicant telling them we're getting closer to the end of the program if they want support or any other thing. Then the last automation I created was the automation that updates the next reminder date when a client when a status when a record matches remaining balance. We send email to the client reminding them to pay their balance every 2 months. This happens every 2 months, and the script runs and updates the next reminder date to the current date that the email was sent. So the next reminder date here in the client table will be updated once an email is sent out for that day. And also I created other views applied, program applied, so that to be easier to see it's easier to see the applicant and the application they the program they apply to. So this is all for the lead management and payment tracking automation I built. Thank you for coming and see you next time. Bye.